So today is a little bit frustrated. I received 2 packages which are not I ordered, and they shipped to my address. So this morning I take some time to call Amazon, and the other is Macy's. So how in the United States, how you can deal with the items is not your ordered, and I would like to share the procedure how you can return the items or let them know. So the purpose here is that to inform the vendor they shipped the address wrongly and the items is not belong to you, and then to see how they deal with this case. So I can share the 2 cases here. One is with Amazon. So I called Amazon and have the chat from the Amazon online customer services. I told them about this wrong ship address, which is not belong to me, not belong to my neighbors. I don't know the guy who should receive it. And then they told me that either I can keep it or dispose it, and then they will give the credit back to the customer within this tracking number and order number. And then this is very straightforward and really like the way Amazon deal with it. Okay, back to the other case, Macy's. So I found the information online. I tried to reach out to the customer online with the chat. However, I tried 3 times, neither of them success. And then I called the customer services. I was online for about 15 minutes. Finally, I got the lady who can talk to me. I told her that this is the wrong shipping address. It's not belong to my neighbors either. I don't know the guy who placed this order in the other city. So the lady asked me whether I can return to the Macy's store. This is not my fault. So I said, this is Macy's fault. I want to inform you that Macy's made a mistake to ship to the wrong address. What can I do with this package? And most importantly, you should get credit back to the people who placed the order, because that is Macy's fault. So the lady told me that, okay, can you give me the order number? However, from this package, I cannot find the order number, but I have the tracking number. The lady, very interestingly, the lady told me that, okay, no worries, I will give the record, you can keep the package or dispose it. But interestingly, I never tell her what the tracking number should be, or which order she should give the credit to the customer. So that's a very interesting situation. From my end, I try my best to reach out to these 2 vendors and let them know they shipped to the wrong address, and then they should give credit back to the people who placed the order. And it triggered my interest. Then I searched online about the law in the United States, how we can deal with this case. I would like to share with everyone here. So if you can see here, this is from a law regarding receiving a shipment that was not ordered. Look at this one. If that item's not you ordered, so this is a retailer send a package to the wrong person or send someone else merchandise to a previous customer. If the customer didn't order anything from your business, you have no obligation to provide customer with any additional incentives. The customer is legally entitled to keep the merchandise, though you can request that the customer return it. So when everybody match with this case in the future, I guess you don't need to call them. You just keep it. They will not charge you. And the best way, from my perspective, I always reach out to the vendor to let them know they made a mistake and try to avoid it in the future, because it's time consuming. It's wasting my almost 30 minutes in the morning to get it sorted out and know the solutions associated with them. So that's it today I would like to share with everyone. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.